What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop apps from updating in the background. Most of the time when you close an app, even if you close it completely, it still does updates in the background and refreshes. So I'm going to tell you how to turn that off. So we're going to go into our iPhone. Whoops. And I will go into Settings, scroll down to General. From there you will see where it says Background App Refresh. If I click on that, that'll show me all the apps that are actually refreshing in the background, even if I have the app closed. So if you want to save data, if you want to save battery power, this is a good place to look at. So as you can see, just turn on and off whenever you need to turn on and off. And obviously at the top, you see Background App Refresh. That'll just turn everything off. So if you found this video to be helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more content on how to Apple without the E.